Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey, and today we are with the topic dictionary, and we are going to see the quiz 10 questions. First question on your screen, guys. Try this. All you have to do is try it by your own. You know what is dictionary, how it works. Yeah, and the second question here it is. So here I have used empty dictionary and list and other concepts also. So if you can do these questions, it means you understood dictionary very well. You got some, you are good at dictionaries. And this is the third question. So to solve this, you should know what is this get is doing, what is append, what is list, what is dictionary. Without knowing all this, you cannot solve this. And these all questions, these all logics I have taken from a leetcode question directly. So we are solving leetcode problem solving and also MCQs. So my intention is to make you thorough with all this, so that whenever you attend the interview, you should not feel that these all are new to me. No, this already you have done. Fourth question. Whatever you get the answer, try it, check it. You know, like how it runs. You know how about for loop, how about if, break, all these things. You know, you just need to. For example, if you don't know count dot get char, what it does, so search it, try to explore on it. If you found, then try to utilize the knowledge here. This is fifth one. Yeah, so these all are from directly from a leetcode. So if you are able to solve this, it means you got a good sense of problem solving. Yeah, try to do it by yourself. If not, then you can ask to your friend, discuss. Even if it is not, then you can try the same code in a chat gpt, and or you can also try for a visualization. There is a visualization websites are also available nowadays. So all you have to do is explore more things to understand this. Yeah, here is a sixth question. So here, as I have used double equal to, it is a comparison operator. So obviously we can understand the results will be in a boolean values, and it is comparatively, it is within a less lines. So it is simple to do this. So first priority you should give by yourself, how much you can able to do. See, every day it should be like a learning for you. Yes, on a daily basis we need to go near to our goal. So today if you are unable to solve first question, tomorrow it should not be the case. By tomorrow you should learn things and you have to solve the next question. Yesterday you were unable to solve any question, but today at least 1 to 2 questions you can able to solve. Day after tomorrow at least 5 questions. In this way you have to improve on a daily basis. So improvement is required, guys, and the competition for you is yourself. Your yesterday, your today, and your tomorrow. This is what your competition is. Your neighbors are not your competition. Your relatives are not your competition. No, nobody's competition. Nobody is in competition with you. Only yourself is a competition. So try to understand how important it is to improve on a daily basis. And here it is the eighth question. So to get a job of even 5 LPA or 3 LPA or more than that, it is not that easy. We'll go and we'll get the job. No, for that you need to work, you need to explore things, try to solve problems. Starting, nobody will get the problems how to solve. Try to see many examples, take a help from our students, then you will understand it better. Eighth question it is. Ninth one, and here it is. Here we have list boolean values for if all these things are there, and even I utilized some of the inbuilt methods also, like we do have get. Yes, that is for the dictionary. This is ninth one. And coming to this is the 10th one, guys. So I wantedly made it more number of lines because it is the 10th one, and try to check whether you can able to solve it or not. If not, then explore and then you try to solve it. So with this we are done with our dictionary quiz. So if you feel you are good with this, and I have also uploaded the key, this is the key, guys. So definitely if you like this work, then please do subscribe, and do also whenever you can able to solve the question, you feel a happiness, right? Then you can appreciate me by liking my videos, guys. Thank you.